If you need to transfer contacts to Gmail, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to import your contacts into Google Contacts so everything is stored safely in your Gmail account. This is super useful if you've just switched phones, backed up your contacts as a file, or you want all of your important names and numbers in one place. And before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. This will take you directly to Google Contacts, which is the place where Gmail stores and manages your contact list. Once the page loads, sign in using the Gmail account where you want the contacts to be imported. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the next step. After you're inside Google Contacts, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You should see an option called Import. Click on Import and a window will appear asking you to choose a file. This is where you'll upload the contacts file that you want to add to Gmail. Now click Select File. A file browser will open on your computer or device. Find the contacts file you want to use. Google Contacts usually supports files in .csv or .vcf format, so make sure your file is saved in one of those formats. If you exported your contacts from another phone, email service, or backup tool, it is likely already in one of these formats. Once you locate the file, click it to select it, then press Open if needed. After that, make sure you're importing the correct file before continuing. If everything looks good, click Import. Google Contacts will now upload the file and add your contacts to Gmail. Depending on how many contacts are in the file, this may take a few seconds. When it finishes, your contacts will be added to Gmail Contacts and you'll be able to view, search, and manage them from your Google account. If you don't see the contacts right away, refresh the page or give it a moment to sync. You can also check that the import was completed successfully by browsing your contact list. From there, you can edit, merge, or organize your contacts if needed. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your contacts to Gmail. It only takes a few clicks, and once they're imported, your contacts will be easy to access across your phone, tablet, and computer anytime you sign in with your Google account. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.